Come and create school labels. Creating personalized school labels can be a simple and creative activity. With the help of digital tools, you can adjust every detail, from the format to the choice of colors and fonts. To get started, simply access a design platform and set the appropriate file size, ensuring it matches the desired print format. Depending on the project's needs, you can choose between portrait or landscape orientation. Selecting the right artwork is an important step in personalization. There are many options available, allowing you to choose from pre-made images or create a completely unique design. The most important thing is that the chosen style aligns with the final purpose. Additionally, adjusting the size of the artwork is essential to ensure the labels are proportional and well distributed within the available space. Another key detail is adding the name to the label, allowing for even greater personalization. Different fonts, sizes, and colors can be used to achieve a harmonious and easy-to-read result. Some visual techniques, such as shadowing and layer overlay, can also be applied for a more sophisticated finish. Once the design is complete, it is essential to organize the elements on the page in a structured way, ensuring better space utilization. Grouping items makes it easier to align and replicate the layout, making the process more efficient and dynamic. The choice of printing material directly impacts the durability and adhesion of the label. Ferax matte sticker vinyl, for example, is a great option for durable labels with strong adhesion. If using photo paper or another less adhesive material, adjustments to the size may be needed, ensuring the edges overlap for a more secure attachment. With all the steps completed, the final result is personalized labels ready for use. This process allows you to create unique materials, making school organization more practical and visually appealing. If you need a ready-made template, there are available options to simplify the application. The Ferax matte sticker vinyl is an excellent choice for curved and small objects like pencils and pens. Its strong adhesion ensures a secure fit, preventing peeling or detachment over time. Perfect for school and office supplies, it provides a professional and long-lasting finish. Just print and apply it directly to the desired material. If you enjoyed this content, leave a like and subscribe to the channel.